Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Our today's topic is spherical lenses. First of all, we should know what is a lens. A lens is a piece of transparent glass bounded by two spherical surfaces. There are two types of lens: convex lens and concave lens. Convex lens. This is one piece of transparent glass, this is another. When they are joined together, it forms a convex lens. Convex lens is thick at center but thinner at edges. बीच में ये मोटी होती है और जो इसके edges होते हैं इन पर ये thin होती है, पतली होती है. It is bounded by two spherical surfaces, for example surface A and surface B. It is bulging in the center. These surfaces are convex surface. Now this lens is also called convex lens is also called converging lens, because when light rays falls on it, those light rays come close to each other after refraction. Now concave lens. Concave lens is thin in the middle but thicker at edges. When I took two pieces of transparent glass, in this way it forms concave lens. Concave lens, it is also called diverging lens. Diverging lens, because when light rays parallel to the principal axis, they get diverged after refraction. They move far away from each other after refraction. Now optical center. Optical center. Optical center means the center point of lens. The center point of lens is known as optical center. It is denoted by letter C. If light rays pass through the optical center, it does not suffer any deviation and goes straight. अगर optical center के बीच में से कोई भी light ray pass on हो जाती है तो वो सीधे ही निकल जाती है, उस पर कोई deviation नमूदार नहीं होती, undeviated रहती. Now principal axis. Principal axis, line passing through the optical center and perpendicular to both the faces of a lens. This is one face, this is another face. When a line is drawn through the optical center and it is perpendicular to both the faces, this is called a principal axis. Now principal focus and focal length of a convex lens. First of all, we will discuss principal focus. This is a convex lens. This is the principal axis. When light rays are parallel to the principal axis, after convergence at the same point, at some point F on other side of lens, this point is called. Actually, the principal focus is the point on principal axis. When light rays parallel to the principal axis, after refraction they meet at a point, and such point is called focus of a convex lens. It is, if the object is on left side, the focus will be on right side. Convex lens is also called a converging lens, because light rays get converged. Now the principal focus of a convex lens is a point on principal axis. This is the definition of the principal focus, to which light rays parallel to the principal axis converge after passing through the lens. जब ये principal axis के parallel light rays fall हो जाएंगे इस convex lens पर, तो वो converge होकर एक पॉइंट पर मीट करते हैं उस पॉइंट को हम कहते हैं प्रिंसिपल फोकस। नाउ फोकल लेंथ। Focal length. Focal length is the distance between optical center. This is called optical center and focus. The distance between optical center and focus is called focal length. Focal length, it depends upon the refractive index of the lens. Higher refractive index, shorter is the focal length. In other words, we may call it the converging or diverging power of lens. More the converging power, shorter will be the focal length. Distance between optical. Less is the converging power, more will be the focal length.